Yeah, on my grind all day, gonna make $1 million selling that someday. You know I'm in the building when I write this way. Put me in the pound when I bite this game. Bitch, I'm an animal, eating these rappers, I swear I'm a cannibal. About to fulfill all my dreams, I'm a fiend. I've been plotting and scheming, this shit is obscene. I rise on fleek, what in the fuck does all that even mean? Seems like we're scared of our weather.
Babay muna ha, alis muna ako, okay? Ha? Yeah, baby? Okay, babay muna, bye-bye.
Alright, good morning. What's up guys at mga kaaro? We're here at our Papa LRT station going to Roosevelt. So eto yung sinasabi ko na I'll share a little bit about our activities. I'll share a little bit about myself and you know the things that I am doing like every day. Okay. So it's 10:40 in the morning. So here's what's gonna happen today. Pupunta tayo sa MIAS. It's a Manila International Auto Show. So dun sa mga car lovers dyan or sa mga car enthusiasts dyan, I think magugustuhan nyo to. I've been doing this for siguro mga 5 years already. Kasi gusto ko nakakita ng mga magaganda sasakyan, mga bago, at even lumang sasakyan. In fact, mas gusto ko yung mga lumang sasakyan. Kasi I kind of feel that itong mga lumang sasakyan na to nakabuo ng kasaysayan na hindi po pwedeng mawala sa story ng buhay natin. So that's the reason pupunta tayo sa MIAS. Alright, I'm back with I don't know if I have to call this vlogger, YouTuber, or car detailer, auto retailer kind of forma. But yeah, ito yung susuotin natin. And I'm thinking anong po pwede natin suotin na sapatos. Ito, hindi yan. Okay. Now, since yeah, by the way, alin mas gusto nyo? Yung nakaharap o yung nakatalikod? Here's what I got today. Yan, nag-post na ako ng isang picture. Isa o dalawa, tatlo, basta. Nag-post na ako ng picture nito sa Instagram ko. If you're not following me yet on Instagram, by the way, check out the description below. Nandyan yung link natin for my Instagram account. Kaya, eto susuotin natin and that way maging okay naman. I mean, it's not so bongga. Simple lang, but I like it because it's comfortable to wear. Although it's not really the most comfortable. I still like the Adidas and the Skechers Goga Mat. By the way, meron din akong YouTube channel for detailing, or eto yung kung saan ako nagpo-post ng mga tips and tricks and I guess tutorial about detailing cars. Lagi yan nasa end screen ko. So, kung nakita nyo yan at sinubscribe nyo, thank you so much. Pero kung hindi pa, I'll also put the link in the description. Check nyo yan, especially for those mga kaara natin na mahilig sa kotse at mahilig pagandahin ng kotse, pakintabin, linisin. Those kind of things na ginagawa sa kotse, please check that out. Because once it hits siguro 1K, because right now, medyo hirap akong i-manage yung, actually dalawang account na mina-manage ko ngayon with this one and then of course the other one. Yeah, kung umabot tayo ng 1K doon, I'll probably make like one video every week for you guys sa mga kaaro na mahilig sa kotse. Please support that as well. So, I guess kailangan ko nang mag-prepare ng konti kasi it's already 10:45, baka ma-late naman ako. Ang dami kong kailangang i-review rito. Ilang mga sapatos kailangan nating i-review. So abangan yan, alright? So what is that? Ang laki nito. Alright, so we are outside nitong events place na to. Pupunta tayo ngayon doon sa kuhanan ng ticket. Dati yung place kung saan kumukuha ng ticket ay same door kung saan yung main entrance nitong car show. But this time, nilabas nila. So kung may mga kasama kayong bata at gusto nyo tumingin ng mga toys, these are like toys. I'm not really sure if these are like for sale. As you can see, meron silang mga Ferraris over here. And then syempre yung mga ibang types of cars like these ones. Like these are Lamborghinis. And then ito pa, ang gaganda oh. And then some of the off-roads and big trucks over here. These cars over here, most of them are Japanese. Yung akin, ganito yung tsura. So dito sa side na to, nandito naman yung mga malalaking trucks.
and every shitty rapper motherfucker slam. Let them all know.
So nandito tayo sa harap ng World Trade Center. This is in Pasay City. Dito sa side na to, ito yung main
So nandito yung mga cars na talagang malulupit.
I'm about to win it when they bum my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Yeah. Right now.
One thing about me, believe it or not, is pag nagpupunta ako ng mga auto shows, ang napaka-importante nitignan ko ay yung mga kotse at hindi mga babae. Pero syempre mga kaaro, dahil mahal ko kayo, ang papakita ko sa inyo bukod sa kotse ay papakita na rin natin yung mga models dito na nagagandahan.
Behind, picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check so I can out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now.
Look at this mga kaaro. That's a Corvette. Whoa. Now, right now, nandito tayo sa side ng events place kung saan naroon yung mga new cars o yung mga bagong release na cars. Alright, so finally, nandito tayo sa isang lugar or isang part nitong venue na hinahanap ko. Nandito yung mga old school cars or mga rare cars na madalas hindi na natin nakikita ngayon. And that's what makes me very excited. Ayun, oh. Ito yan. Of course, syempre. Ito pala, ito. Okay. And then some Subaru dito. Okay, alam na natin yan. Now, kumbaga, ito yung space or ito yung lugar kung saan may patikim lang. Later on, makikita nyo sa video natin. Napakarami pa natin makikita mga old school cars na I bet you marami sa atin hindi pa nakikita yung mga ganong klaseng kotse. Look at this mga karo. Take a look at that.
Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town right now. Ain't nobody fucking with the sound right now. Ain't nobody fucking around town my shit right now. Yeah.
That's neon red. Ito naman, that's, I don't know, that's like a banana green neon. Meron pa doon. Let's take a look at that. Ayun, oh, ganda, oh. Ayun pa, oh. Whoa, GTO. And then ayun pa. That's nice. I don't know, Karo, if nakita nyo na sa vlog ko, yung isang kotse na old school din, it's a Corolla SR. But the reason I mentioned that is that it is a car na hindi ko pa nakikita so far in like 5 years or 6 years na pagpunta ko dito sa Mia's Auto Show na to. Never ko pa siyang nakita. Never ko pa nakita yung ganong klase ng car. Less stress. Okay. So dyan mga Kaaro, dyan nagsushow si Russ Swift.
All the way, 3 on board.
Basically yung gumagawa ng mga stunts about cars kung saan halos pabalik na rin yung mga kotse or even mga vans. So yun, alas 3 pa nga lang daw mag-uumpisa.
Yo, right now, right now, yo.
So nandito yung mga bagong cars. And dito naman, I think yung mga old school cars. I'm hoping.
Right now.
So finally mga kaaro, nakakita rin ako ng hindi exactly kapareho ng akin, but ganito halos yung akin. Ikutan natin. Now, eto mga kaaro, pansinin nyo. Take a look at this. Eto yung problema na sa akin. Ang hirap humanap ng rubber na pupunta rito. Ayan. Binibenta itong mga to?
Ay, hindi po. Ito po yung mga first aid.
Okay. Yung mga karo. So nandun, dito sa place na to, meron silang race ng Tamiya cars. Each car are for rent. 35 pesos daw per race. Pero if hanap nyo naman ay mabibili na laruan, they're on 50% off or discount dito sa mga Tamiya cars na nandito. Siyempre kung kailangan nyo ng mga snacks, meron din sila rito just like what you see there. Tapos eto, marami pa mga toys on this side. Ayun o. So tignan naman natin ano meron dito sa side na to ng event. Okay, marami pang mga toys dito. Ganda sa baba. It's some Batman. Meron ditong dining area kung saan pwedeng kumain at magpahinga ng konti.
Right now, right now. Right now, right now. Yeah. On my grind all day. Rap so good, but I get so paid. I ain't from the hood, but I've had bad days, so I smoke all day to avoid all the pain. Management said I should sound OG.
Right about the time your homie OD. Here, we bought you a whole bag of weed so you could sell out and sound so motherfucking
goddamn high. All I do is smoke and I write these lines. Schooling good grades where I fell behind. Picking up the piece of paying back my time. Do I really wanna get this high? Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell nah, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check so I can out on dues. Gotta get paid so I can pay my rent. So let me get a snapback, a chain, let me get it right now.
Alright, what is up mga kaaro? So we are back and 5:25 in the afternoon na naman. Oh, by the way, thank you so much and shout out dun sa kaaro natin na nag-approach sa akin. Kasama pa nga mga barkada niya. Dun sa auto show, medyo nagulat lang ako kasi bigla-bigla may tumatawag sa akin. Sabi, Sir Larry, I was a little hesitant. Hindi ko alam kung dati ko siyang estudyante. Dati kasi ako nagturo sa isang school, college and senior high school. So, thank you so much sa pag-approach sa aking kaaro. I was hoping kanina meron pa tayong mga makikitang iba dahil lalong-lalo na nag-update din ako sa YT community natin and wherein marami rin naman sumagot. Apparently nga lang yung mga ilan na sumagot doon ay hindi taga Maynila, so syempre hindi naman sila makakapunta. But anyway, I was so happy na nakita kita kaaro. Kung umabot ka sa point ng video na to, please comment in the comment section below. Please comment na ikaw yung na-meet ko kanina. Nakalimutan ko na rin itanong yung pangalan mo because I was a little bit, occupied sa mga kailangan kong gawin and especially getting the pictures na kailangan natin, footages, those kind of things basically. Yeah, and then regarding the car show, they're open hanggang Sunday. So, kung pupunta kayo, maabutan nyo pa sila hanggang Sunday. It's very nice dahil meron pa silang performance ni Russ Swift. Pagka nandun ka first time mo, siguradong mapapawaw ka. I was there or I was able to watch his show for siguro mga 4 na beses na. Kaya hindi ko na rin nantay. Although kanina nandun pa ako dun sa unang show niya, which is Al Stress. I am not sure kung ano susunod na show niya. Probably alas 5. So, if you would like to watch that kind of show, kung hindi mo pa natatry, kung pupunta ka rin lang, itry mo na. I think they have a fee of 50 pesos para manood nun. Now, in terms of the fee, it's 100 pesos by the way. So, good thing is, hindi pa nila binabago yun. I think this is going to be their 15th year of doing the MIAS or Manila International Auto Show. Pero hindi pa rin nila binabago hanggang hindi pa sila nagtataas. So, that's very nice of them. Although, medyo nakulangan ako. I mean, please excuse me for that. Pero siguro mga 3 years ago or 2 years ago, napakadami nilang mga old school cars, which is para sa akin yun yung pinaka-importante sa akin. I really love to see the old school cars. Pero first time ko lang makakita ng isang pareho ng sa akin, the Corolla SR. It's the same kind of car. It's the same model. It's the same. Probably mas matanda lang ng 1 taon yung kanya kasi 76 yung kanya, 77 yung akin. And it's also in yellow, which is I really love. Shoutout by the way sa kaara natin na may-ari nun. Napakabait na sinagot yung mga katanungan ko tungkol sa kotse na yon. But yeah, medyo nakulangan lang talaga ako sa mga old school na cars na nakasama sa exhibit. Kasi I remember it talagang isang buong area yung mga old school. Actually, sobra pa. This time, siguro, if I am right, hindi umabot ng 20 yung mga old school cars. And dati umabot yata ng mga 40 yun. Isang reason kaya gusto ko sanang mas maraming old school cars is mas maraming kotse, mas maraming models. So, ibig sabihin, medyo konti yung models natin kanina. So, ibig sabihin, konti rin ang naipakita kong mga models sa inyo. And ito pala, take note of this, mga kaaro. Normally, I don't take pictures and videos of the models. Niwala ko sa hindi. Alam ko na marami sa inyo hinahanap or inaantay yung mga ganong klase ng footage, and that's why, or that's the reason why kinuhanan ko sila ng mga videos and even, you know, some pictures. If you would like to check out their photos, by the way, go ahead, check out my Instagram, link in the description below para makita nyo yung mga pictures na nakuha natin, because what I put in here are just, of course, the videos or the footages. But yeah, check out my Instagram account para doon. Ingay kung may sunog Alright, so ingat-ingat kayo dyan kung may sunog na naman. Lalo na ngayon, summer, sobrang init kanina, napaka-init. I don't know kung napapansin nyo, pero medyo sunog na ako. Ito yung balat ko. Anyway, so that is it for this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up naman dyan. If you aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. Kasi marami pa tayong mga videos na gagawin pa rito sa channel na to. Comment what you think about the video, as well as share it. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. Mga ka-araw, till next time. See ya!
Do I really wanna write these rhymes? Do I really wanna be a fucking sellout? Do I really wanna take that route? Hell no, I'm just paying my dues. Getting that check, swagging out on dues. Gotta get